have just finished the first period of the SMAUG project that lasts the first 18 months. We are very happy with the advances. We have started to work in the maritime port and infrastructure security in the Work Package 3. We were analyzing and created some improvements in the threat detection through the different type of access in the Work Package 4 using underwater drones, aerial surveillance and so on. We have started to work as well in the Work Package 5 in the combination of this information and using technology like sensor data fusion of artificial intelligence to detect new threats. And very important thing, we have started a couple of months ago the Work Package 6, where we are going to define all the functionalities needed for the use cases executions. By the way, as well, after this first period, we have these 2 days the review with the European Commission and the 2 external reviewers of the project. It was very good. We have received some relevant comments, very important, but they are very happy with the current advances of the project, and they encourage us to continue working this way, and the suggestion they did will be strictly followed with us in the next upcoming 18 months until the end of the project, where we are going to execute the 3 use cases in Norway, in Greece and in Spain to demonstrate how to improve the security in the coastal border guards of the European Union.